All right, Ted here from Aether, wanting to see if we can structure a deal faster than you can order lunch. So let's jump right into it. We have a tier 5 approval, 35 grand max to finance, pay call 750. Our max advance is 125 at 29.9%. So we go into our Aether, and our first thing, we click on Rivco, and then we go tier 5. We put in the pay call of 750. We put in our interest rate of 29.9%, a maximum finance not exceeding 35,000. Client had no trade. I'm going to click on search. And just like that, we're able to find all of these units that will fit this exact approval with live vehicles at work. So right now I can make $4,989. Check the pictures out. Yeah, things are looking pretty decent. I click into the build screen and I look at my LTVs, what it was. I'm going to click on max payment. And my deal is now completely structured based off of my LTVs in the front and back with my $750, $4,900 in profit. I'm going to click on deal recap so I can then enter all of my information into my worksheet, and just like that, we're going to be able to structure our deal in seconds. So I take this in, I put that there, it finds my unit, I click OK, and then I go back. We have 48,000 kilometers. My list price is 22,889.33, and we have no trade. We have a $1,500 admin fee, documentation fee, and then we have our 84 months, 29.99%, 84 months, 29.9%, and we are good to submit. And just like that, we're able to keep your clients in the Aether and structure a deal from start to finish in less than a minute. Tell me what you can do with all that additional time that you just got.